Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. Here are 6 counters. Each counter has a number on it. Finn takes a random one of these counters. Select with a tick the word that best describes the likelihood that Finn takes a counter with the number 2 on it. So 2, there is only 1, 2, 2 possible cards with the number 2 of them. Of the total 6 cards, this is 1 over 3. Since this is less than a half, we know that it's still possible, but it is unlikely. Moving on, we have select with a tick the word that best describes the likelihood that Finn takes a counter with the number 3 on it. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 over the total 6. This is a half, also known as 0.5. This is evens. Select with a tick the word that best describes the likelihood that Finn takes a counter with a number greater than 4 on it. Note that none of these cards are greater than 4, so that means this is impossible. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.